Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the TP-Link N450 wireless internet router for home. It's a 450 Mbps wireless, fairly inexpensive router. Just so you all know, basically what we're gonna do in this video is an unboxing, check out the box contents and specifications. In another video we will see the setup or review of the same item and even maybe compare it to its older brother. This one right here, that's the model TL-WR940N. This is Wps 32 with you all, and let's get started. Okay, let's get into it. Let's go through the box first, and you can see the new TP-Link packaging, quite different from the typical green packaging. And right here you can see the features, specifications, and package. Top right here you can see it's got a 2-year warranty on it, and that's a great thing. Right here you have more features and benefits. Right here you can find the setup, and that's basically what's on the box. Actually, you can manage your network settings using your smartphone, so you can just scan the QR code which is given right here. But right here there's something that catches my eye. Okay, the best choice on 11N, enjoy reliable Wi-Fi connections, blah blah blah. This one right here is what catches my eye. Okay, and it's the fact that this model claims to come with a 3x3 MIMO technology. MIMO means multiple in, multiple out. This antenna technology gives you an ample advantage when you stream lag-free videos, game online, and it takes care of all your essentials at up to 450 Mbps over 2.5 GHz. If you want to know more about MIMO, you can just Google it and find out more about it. But basically it should strengthen your wireless signal and the ability to send data to different devices simultaneously. A little information for people who might want to have this item sent overseas. We're just gonna see the characteristics, physical characteristics of the box. This box itself weighs 216 grams, and the measurements are length. Right here we have 36 centimeters, which is about 14 inches. The breadth or the width is 22 centimeters, which should be about almost 9 inches, and the height is about 7 centimeters or almost 3 inches. So that having been said, we're just gonna go straight and open the box. So these are the contents in the box. First thing we find are the quick installation guide, which is in English, obviously. Let's see if there's another language in there, because according to the box there are about 9 different languages: Dutch, Italian, Turkish, French, Spanish, Polish, Portuguese, and 2 others I'm not aware of. That looks Russian. Okay, so you have the quick installation guide right here. How to configure and all that. Let's see what language it comes in. So the quick installation guide is in English, no other languages. What else do we have here? We have the power supply. Okay, so output 9 volts and 0.6 amperes. Okay, the older model, the one that comes in the green box, I think it came with a 1 amp and a 12 volt power supply. Right here we have the wireless router, which we're gonna look at closely in a couple of minutes. And we have the RJ45 Ethernet cable. So there's nothing else in the box. Let's go check the router. So this is a nice looking router. Comes with 3 antennas, large size, very nice size. They are not detachable though. There are no screws right here to undetach them. Nope. They're undetachable, and one of the characteristics is that they're omnidirectional. Venting on the bottom looks great. All this you see right here are venting areas to allow it to cool down, and you can see there are also slots on the edges to allow more cooling to happen. At the back here, you also have 4 Lan ports to connect the internet from this router to your computers, a WLAN port or internet port. All of these ports are 10 by 100 Mbps. Right here you have a Wi-Fi Wps button. This is a wireless on and off, so you can turn your wireless off with just a button. You have a reset button right here. You have a power button right here and a power port right here. So that's all we have on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the TP-Link N450 wireless internet router for home. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel clicking on the subscribe button below.